Hurricanes and Rangers NHL action for Thursday. Carolina on the road with Frederick Anderson. Rangers at home. Igor Shesterkin. Neither goaltender is confirmed just yet. Check out some other sites too. See if we can't get a handle here on where we're going in goal with some of these. In this one, you have the Rangers here, about $1.15 favorite, and this total is 5.5. Starting to see a few 5.5s now after maybe the scoring in the last couple of days or so has been down here a little bit in some of the games, and some unders have come home to roost a little bit. I actually haven't seen a lot of sharp action here on this total necessarily, but there's been plenty of action on the side, and while most of it seems to, I don't know, it seems pretty mixed actually coming in. So I'm probably just going to end up on the Rangers in this one at a pretty reasonable price with Shesterkin. Here's Brent says the Hurricanes are 5-22 in the last 27 meetings. Into wow, 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 wow. Joe Kryptonite. He's I don't even think the Habs are playing. He's on the wrong game. He's ahead of us. Joe's ahead of us. Uh, that's hard to do. Fast forward the video. Ray's got the Hurricanes here. Hello to Daryl today. Brent's got this one 3-3 end of regulation. So he's got a lean to the Rangers in this one. I'm on the Rangers. Fernando will take the over. Nathan is on the Canes here in this one. But I'll take the Rangers here. Do do certainly like that long term trend there that was mentioned. And Nathan liked the Canes so much. Oh, he wanted to correct his line. Okay, no problem. Fernando's got your soccer coverage ready for the weekend when Fernando and I get our show together, our soccer show. Darren's on New York here. All right, more hockey action coming up here. Peasy's on the Rangers. He'll take the Rangers with me.